today we're gonna open the Hairdorables and more. Let's get started. Let's pull here and open here. Boys. Number 1. Here's number 1 blind bag. And here is part of the stand. Let's just open. Number 2. Another blind bag and another stand. Number 3. It's another blind bag. Now 4. A blind bag. Now the boy.
Yeah, boy.
Woohoo! Let me get this out of the box. The boy. No, it's hard. That's on me. Him. Oh yeah. Here is his card. Ooh, I love his jean jacket and his hair so much. He looks like the other boy that I have. I'm opening his jacket. That's funny, little. Okay, so let's see all the blind bags. Number 1. So now we're gonna open the blind bags. This is the first one here. It's a sticker and hair clip. It's the same sticker that I got last time while I'm opening my other one. Same sticker, and I love this hair clip. I'll put it for Sally when she comes out. Now the second one. It's a card for Sally and one shoe. Where's the other shoe? Come out, other shoe. Other shoe is super silly. Let's see who's inside here. Oh! It is super nice. It's a cap for Sally. And another hair clip. Hair clip to put her hat? Maybe. Glasses for him. Ooh. Wow. No, don't do that. Ooh, bye. That's for him. Let's see. It's on him. Ooh, that's funny. What? Why is his glasses down? Okay, let's open Sally. Let's open it from here. So, we got Sally out. Now Sally, let's get her out. Oh my, look at her back. See, it looks super nice. And her boots are so nice. Two colors. Oh, let's try this clip on her. But first, we have to open it. Okay, let's not put the clip now. Let's do it. Okay. Let's try this hat on her. Na 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 na. And the glasses. She looks a tiny bunny. Na 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 na. Let's clean this up now. Let's start with the other.